Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, have emerged as game changers in modern warfare and defense strategies. From their humble beginnings as reconnaissance platforms, drones have evolved into sophisticated, multi-role assets capable of conducting surveillance, reconnaissance, and even delivering precision strikes. Their ability to operate remotely, loiter for extended periods, and reach inaccessible areas has revolutionized the way nations perceive and respond to threats. The increasing demand for UAVs stems from their versatility and cost-effectiveness. They offer a lower-risk alternative to manned aircraft in hazardous situations, providing real-time intelligence and reducing the need to deploy troops into harm's way. Moreover, technological advancements in sensors, communication systems, and artificial intelligence have significantly enhanced their capabilities, making them indispensable tools for modern militaries. The rise of drone technology has led to a global surge in the development and deployment of these aerial platforms. Nations are actively investing in research and development to create advanced UAVs tailored to specific operational requirements. This competitive landscape has given birth to a new generation of high-performance drones, each boasting unique capabilities and designed to address specific strategic objectives. Among these, the TAPAS BH-1 and CH-4 Rainbow stand out as formidable contenders, showcasing the cutting edge of drone technology. The TAPAS BH-1, developed by India's Aeronautical Development Establishment, and the CH-4 Rainbow, a product of China's China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, represent the advancements in unmanned aerial systems. These two medium-altitude, long-endurance UAVs are designed to perform a wide range of missions, including surveillance, reconnaissance, target acquisition, and precision strikes. The TAPAS BH-1, also known as the Rustam II, is a testament to India's growing prowess in drone technology. This indigenously developed UAV boasts an impressive endurance of over 24 hours, enabling persistent surveillance over large areas. Its advanced sensors and communication systems provide real-time situational awareness, making it a valuable asset for intelligence gathering and border security operations. The CH-4 Rainbow, on the other hand, has gained international recognition for its versatility and combat-proven performance. It has been exported to several countries, demonstrating its adaptability to diverse operational environments. The CH-4's modular design allows for easy customization, enabling it to carry a variety of payloads, including electro-optical/infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radars, and precision-guided munitions. The TAPAS BH-1 is a testament to India's commitment to self-reliance in defense technology. Developed by the ADE, a premier research and development organization under India's Defense Research and Development Organization, this UAV embodies the nation's ambition to become a leading player in the global drone market. The TAPAS BH-1's design prioritizes endurance and operational flexibility. Its airframe, characterized by a high aspect ratio wing and a V-tail configuration, optimizes aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to its impressive 24-plus-hour endurance. This extended flight time allows the drone to maintain persistent surveillance over vast areas, making it ideal for border patrol, maritime surveillance, and counterinsurgency operations. The TAPAS BH-1 sensor suite is equally impressive. It is equipped with a state-of-the-art EOIR turret, providing high-resolution imagery and real-time video for surveillance and target identification. Additionally, its SAR capabilities enable it to detect and track objects even in adverse weather conditions, further enhancing its operational versatility. Section 4. CH-4 Rainbow, a versatile predator. Developed by China's CASIC, the CH-4 Rainbow has earned a reputation as a reliable and versatile UAV platform. Its modular design and robust construction have made it a popular choice for various military and civilian applications, with a proven track record in surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. The adaptability of the CH-4 is one of its key strengths. Its modular payload bay can accommodate a range of sensors and weapons, allowing operators to configure the drone for specific mission requirements. This flexibility extends to its communication systems, enabling seamless integration into existing command and control architectures. Another notable feature of the CH-4 is its endurance. With a maximum flight time of up to 30 hours, it can loiter over target areas for extended periods, providing continuous surveillance and enabling rapid response to emerging threats. This capability is particularly valuable in counter-terrorism operations, where persistence and situational awareness are crucial. Section 5, Clash of Capabilities, a comparative analysis. The TAPAS BH-1 and CH-4 Rainbow, while sharing the male UAV designation, exhibit distinct differences in their technical specifications and operational capabilities. Comparing their strengths and limitations can shed light on their respective suitability for specific mission profiles. Both drones demonstrate impressive endurance. The TAPAS BH-1 boasts an endurance of over 24 hours, while the CH-4 Rainbow pushes the boundaries further with a maximum flight time of 30 hours. This difference in endurance translates into varying operational ranges, with the CH-4's extended flight time giving it an edge in covering larger areas. Payload capacity is another key differentiator. The CH-4 Rainbow, with its larger airframe and more powerful engine, can carry a heavier payload compared to the TAPAS BH-1. This translates into a wider range of sensor and weapon options, making it more versatile in conducting surveillance and strike missions. However, the TAPAS BH-1's focus on indigenous development and integration could offer advantages in terms of customization and long-term support. Section 6, Choosing your Titan Strategic Considerations. The decision to acquire either the TAPAS BH-1 or the CH-4 Rainbow hinges on a multitude of factors, including specific operational requirements, budget constraints, and strategic priorities. Each drone offers a unique set of advantages, catering to different mission profiles and procurement preferences. For nations prioritizing indigenous defense capabilities and seeking a reliable platform for surveillance and reconnaissance, the TAPAS BH-1 presents a compelling choice. Its impressive endurance, advanced sensor suite, and focus on domestic development make it a suitable option for border security, maritime patrol, and counterinsurgency operations. On the other hand, the CH-4 Rainbow's versatility and combat-proven performance make it an attractive option for nations seeking a multi-role UAV platform capable of both surveillance and strike missions. Its modular design, heavy payload capacity, and extended endurance offer a wider range of operational possibilities, making it suitable for a broader spectrum of scenarios. Ultimately, the choice between these two titans of the sky depends on a careful assessment of specific needs and strategic objectives. Both the TAPAS BH-1 and CH-4 Rainbow represent the cutting edge of drone technology, offering potent capabilities for modern militaries and security forces.